Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix PS5 error code CE-100095-5. Why this error is happening on PS5 console? Because of software related and data might be corrected. So it might be a PS5 system itself or some other reason. Okay. So sometimes game might not be downloading properly, or PS5 database is corrupted, or system cache issue, or sometimes the game is installed on external drive. The external hard drive may have some data corruptions. Sometimes there is a file conflicts with the PS5 games. Here the quick fix is we need to delete the software. We need to delete the game and we need to reinstall it. Here I'm trying to update this God of War Ragnarok, okay, with the latest versions, but it is not updating and I'm getting this something went wrong. Already your saved data will be there. If you want to sync it, just sync it, check sync status of saved data. So I'm trying to sync before I delete the game. It's successful. Even if you're not able to sync it, definitely there will be a saved data on your console storage. So you can check that on settings. You can take the backup on your pen drive. So go to storage, here go to console storage, games and apps. So here you can see the saved data. So go to PS5 games. Right now we are in console storage. So God of War is there. It's a 2.6 MB. Also you can check the time, February 11. If you want to take backup, just copy that to your pen drive. But right now I'm going to keep it on console storage itself. So what you need to do is you need to simply go to the game and press this options button. And here just choose delete. So once it's deleted, you can reinstall it. Example, I'm going to show other games. Example, I'm going to delete this. Okay, delete it. It's deleted. If you want to reinstall, go to game library and go to your collections. So here you can download the game. So just tap download. For example, I'm showing this Far Cry, but I had the same problem for God of War Ragnarok. Something went wrong. So just delete it and go to library and reinstall it. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.